Hello students, how are you? Good morning to all of you. Today our topic is quadratic equation. Before starting the quadratic equation, I will tell you what is an equation. An equation is a statement of equality. After that, I will tell you what is a linear equation, what is a quadratic equation, what is a cubic equation, what is biquadratic equation. A linear equation is that equation whose highest degree is 1. A quadratic equation is that equation whose highest degree is 2. A cubic equation is that equation whose highest degree is 3. And a biquadratic equation is that equation whose highest degree is 4. For example, this is an equation here, 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Here the highest degree is 1. This is a linear equation. It is a linear equation. It is a linear equation. This is the symbol of equation. Next is, this is 2x raised to 2 plus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Here the highest degree is 2. This is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. This is a quadratic equation. Quadratic equation. Same is the case. 3x raised to power 3 plus 4x square plus 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. This is a cubic equation. Cubic equation. And this is 4x raised to power 4 plus 5x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Here the highest degree is 4. This is called biquadratic equation. But our chapter is quadratic equation. So I will write here 2x raised to power square plus 5x plus 4 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So I will tell you what is called this 2, this 5 and this 4. This 2 is the coefficient of x square and this 5 is the coefficient of x and this 4 is a constant term and this x is a variable. Now I will define you what is called variable. Variable means whose values varies, whose values changes. For example, this is a quadratic equation. For example, the value of x here it is 5. For example, if I will write another equation, there the value of x is 4. There the value of x is 4. So it means the value of this variable, it varies from equation to equation. Same is the case of this constant term. Constant means whose values is fixed, whose values does not change. For example, here it is 4, it is 4. If it is 5, then it is 5. The value of x, a value of this constant does not change. It remains constant. Because of that, we are saying it as constant. Now I will write here a general quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b and c are real numbers. Real numbers, a is not equal to 0. You have studied in the previous chapter regarding this real number. Now I will tell you why this a is not equal to 0. A is not equal to 0. Why?
because if we put the value of a here 0, it becomes 0, and there remains bx plus c, that is a linear equation. If a is equal to 0, it becomes linear equation. That time it is not a quadratic equation. Because of that, we are writing here a is not equal to 0. Now we have to develop a quadratic formula from this quadratic equation. This is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is ax square plus bx. Now transpose this c from left to right, it becomes minus c. Now multiplying 4a both sides, multiplying 4a both sides. This is 4a into ax square plus bx is equal to minus 4ac. Now multiply with the help of this 4a. This is 4 a into a, that is a square, x square plus 4abx is equal to minus 4ac. Adding b square to both sides. So we have to write here adding b square to both sides. This is 4 a square x square plus 4abx plus b square is equal to b square minus 4ac. Here we will write it as 2ax whole square. This is 2 into 2abx plus b whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac. See here, this is a square, this is b square, this is 2abx, 2abx. So it becomes a quadratic, so it becomes a plus b whole square, because a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can write here, this is a square, that is a plus b, that is a is here 2ax and b is b whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac. So this becomes 2ax plus b is equal to plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac. So we transpose again this b. This is 2ax is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac, and x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. X has two values, that is minus b plus under root of b square minus 4a divided by 2a. X is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So this is your quadratic formula. So with the help of this quadratic formula, you can find the roots of the given quadratic equation. You can find the values of the given quadratic equation. So we have to prove sum of roots, because we know sum of roots is equal to minus b by a, product of roots that is equal to c by a. But with the help of this quadratic formula, we can find sum of roots, we can find product of roots. For that case, I have to suppose the values of alpha is equal to, for example, let alpha is equal to minus b plus, let alpha is equal to minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and beta is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So we had to prove sum of roots is equal to minus b by a. For that case, we have to write here sum of roots. Sum of roots. Sum of roots means we have to sum alpha plus beta, because value of alpha, that is minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and this beta is minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here the LCM is 2a, because 2a is here, 2a is here, so the LCM becomes here 2a. This is minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac plus minus, that is minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac. This is here plus under root of b square minus 4ac. Here it is minus under root of b square minus 4ac. It will cancel. It becomes minus b and minus b, that is minus 2b divided by 2a. This 2 and 2 cancel, it becomes minus b divided by a. So sum of roots, that is equal to minus b by a. Same is the case, we have to write here product of roots. Product of roots. Product of roots, that is alpha into beta. So we have to multiply the value of alpha into beta. Here we have to sum alpha plus beta, but here we have to multiply alpha into beta. The value of alpha, that is minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a into minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Here we have to multiply this 2a into 2a. It becomes 4a square. Here in denominator it becomes a formula. That formula is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b, that is equal to a square minus b square. So we have to write here a square, that is minus b whole square. This is a square minus b square, that is minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole square. This square and root cancels. This is minus b square, that is minus b into minus b, that is b square. This is minus into b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. This is b square, this is minus b square, minus minus is plus 4ac divided by 4a square. This is plus b square minus b square, it will cancel. It becomes 4ac divided by 4a square. This 4 and 4 cancel, 1a and 1a cancel, it becomes c divided by a. So this is your formula product of roots, that is c by a, and this is your formula sum of roots, that is minus b by a, and this is your quadratic formula, that is this minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So in this today's topic we have proved the quadratic formula, sum of roots and product of roots. So I hope you will remember these quadratic formulas, sum of roots, product of roots. So with the help of these formulas we can find the roots of the quadratic equation, we can find the sum and product. So this b square minus 4ac, it is also called discrement. So we are writing here capital D. Capital D means discrement, that is equal to b square minus 4ac. This is your discrement, that is b square minus 4ac.
discriminant is equal to b square minus 4er. Also remember this. Now in the next video we will do the exercise questions. Till then, okay, thanks.